Hello guys, this is HairSome John speaking. Today I would like to share with you this intelligent neck clipper, or you can call neck grinder. And this is the box, and this red color, and here is like a iPhone box. They have some selling point here, the description here. This selling point: safety, intelligence, power, precision, no noise, neck-free. The cutting model. Okay, and it's very lightweight. Okay, we're going to the unboxing. Okay, this is the instruction manual to show the description here, and I have some how to use. Okay, it's very simple but nice. This cleaning brush, this USB charging cable, and here is the unit. Okay, we'll take it out. Okay, this is the unit. It's a very nice pearl white color. Okay, it's palm size, and here is charging port. This indicate light. This off switch. This is a protective cover. Okay, it's transparent, and here there's a window. You push like this, then the nail residue storage. Okay, let's check. This off switch is 2-speed control. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you use it. You put your nail here in this, and this will grab your nail. So this very safe. Is to use speed 2. Then fast cutting. You see, grand. And then here there's a residue inside. You see here, so you can use this cleaning brush to clean the inside. Okay, so it's very useful. Knife grinder. Okay, we're going to check the unit. Just 19.4 gram with this cap. 92.7 gram. So it's very lightweight. Okay, so do you like this? If you have any interest, just send me inquiries for more information. Okay. Thanks for watching.